Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a group in Roblox. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Roblox application to get started. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, tap the three dots at the bottom right hand corner. From the options displayed on the screen, tap on Groups and tap on the Create Group button right next to the Search Groups option at the top right. Create a name for your group in the first text box, and you can also fill in the description for your group in the description text box. Since it's an optional, you can skip the step for now. Scroll down and right where it says emblem, upload an image from your device for your emblem by tapping on select button. Choose a picture from your library. You can select any picture of your choice. I'm gonna just pick a random picture out here. Once you select the picture for yourself, under settings, choose whether anyone can join your group or if you wanna set manual approval for your group. If you select anyone can join, anyone will be able to join into your group, but if you select manual approval, you'll be able to set control for your group. After filling in all of the information on this page, click on the green button at the bottom right where it says 100. You'll need to spend 100 Robux in order to complete this group creation. Tap on Purchase option. But remember that you must have 100 Robux on your account in order to create a group on Roblox. Once you purchase with your Robux, you'll be able to create a new group on Roblox. That is how you'll be able to create a Roblox group. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.